Hello, how about? My name is Luis Antonio Gomez Cisneros and today I come to talk to you about the Avengers Initiative. Ah, do not believe a little joke. I come to present my third oral project of the subject of English, so let's start. The idea of this project is to talk about some popular winter sport, and personally there is one that caught your attention, that is skiing. Even though I know very little about it since I live in a tropical area, I like the idea of in some future being able to ski on the snow because we would not like it, not to mention, and it is something extreme and with no adrenaline that personally I like too much as a person. Not to mention that is a sport that can be done as a family and thus create a closer bond with your loved ones with great experiences. That is talking as treating skiing as a hobby because as in any sport there are competitions. It is and consists of saying who goes down and down faster from the mountains. Let's say it is type, but sledding on snow is there anything more incredible than that? It bet not. Now I leave you a small video about some stranger, some me were on the planet practicing skiing. For my part, it will be also. Thank you very much for your attention.